7 p.m., radar and spotters reported rainfall rates of 4 inches per hour. The area of heavy rain was moving toward the west at 15 to 20 miles per hour and will spread into central and west Maui over the next hour. This warning covers the entire island of Maui. A flash flood warning means flash flooding is imminent or occurring in streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Move to higher ground now. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. This flash flood warning replaces the pre-existing warning that was in effect for the island of Maui. This warning may need to be extended beyond 8:45 p.m. if flash flooding persists.